Space looks empty, but it isn't. Something is always there, bending it, shaping it, pulling everything closer. And the closer you get, the stronger it becomes. At first, you wouldn't even notice. Time would still feel normal, but something would be off. Paths wouldn't be straight anymore. They would curve slowly toward a single point, a point you can't escape. Because this isn't just gravity. This is a black hole. And once it starts pulling you in, it never stops. You wouldn't fall like you expect. You would accelerate faster and faster and faster until speed stops making sense. And then, one part of you pulled forward, another held back, until you become something else entirely. A line, infinitely thin, infinitely long. This is called spaghettification, and there is no way to survive it. But here's the part no one talks about. You don't actually see the end, because to an outside observer, you never cross the event horizon. You just slow down, fade, and disappear. But for you, you already passed it. And inside, everything changes. There is no up, no down, no direction. Only a reality that no longer follows the rules you understand. Distances collapse, time distorts, and space begins to behave incorrectly. At this point, physics stops being predictable, not broken, just different. What you see is no longer what exists, and what exists might not even be real in the way you think. Some theories suggest at the very center there is a singularity, a point with no size, but infinite density. Others say there is no center at all, only a transition, a boundary between realities, a place where everything that falls in doesn't just get destroyed, it becomes something else, rewritten, split, connected in ways we don't understand. And maybe that's why we will never truly know what's inside, because anything that could tell us never comes back. Not light, not matter, not information. Nothing escapes. And if something does, it's not the same anymore. So the next time you look at a black hole, don't think of it as an object. Think of it as a process, a transformation, a place where reality is no longer stable and where the universe starts to forget how it's supposed to work. Because once you're inside, there is no escape and no return, only something else.